Hey, what's up guys? Ted here with Dirty Habit Off-Road. Just wanted to do a go topless video for this 2013 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 4-door that we have for sale. It comes with a factory hardtop and the full white doors, but obviously everything has been removed for the video. It's summertime, we're at the beach in the Outer Banks. No better way to ride your Jeep than with the top and the doors off. Again, this Jeep is for sale, so it's 2013, only 67,000 original miles, automatic. It is a Rubicon. Came in completely stock. Everything was done here in-house. 3.5-inch lift, Fox shocks all the way around, Fox heavy-duty steering stabilizer. We have Smitty-built front bumper, rough country 9,500-pound synthetic winch rope. Synthetic rope winch. We have the 12-inch LED light bar. We removed the grille, your fender flares, and the factory rocker guards. Scuffed them down and sprayed them with the Raptor liner. Gives it a nice textured finish, will not fade. It just gives it a great look. LED headlights and fog lights with the color change halo. 50-inch LED light bar above the windshield. Custom cat skin leather seats. This Jeep also has the heated seats. These aren't seat covers, they're actually seat skins. So the seats come out, the factory cloth comes off, and then the leather goes on. It's got the two-tone, as you can see, white stitching, perforated on the interior part of the seat. Just really pops, makes the color scheme kind of all come together. This is the Forever Wave, our custom made OBX flags. Zip the sleeve around your roll bar, and then you can interchange your flags. Matching rear bumper, tow hitch. When we did a 3.5-inch lift, we did 18-inch fuel assault wheels, 35, 12, 50, 18 BFG all-terrain tires. Body's in great shape. Jeep looks great, drives great. Another thing we had custom made here, we have the OBX rated trail rated badges. We also have the OBX rated badges where there's a dog paw as instead of the O for the dog lovers. Have all your floor mats. It's a super clean Jeep. None of the pixels are jumping around. That's just the way the video records the pixels. 67,893 original miles. Clean title. Just a nice clean Jeep. If you have any questions, stop by Dirty Habit Off-Road, or you can call Ted at 252-491-4900. That's here at the shop. Or you can text or call me at 804-852-4907. Our building's right on the way to the Outer Banks. Please stop in. We have a full showroom full of parts and accessories. We have Jeeps for sale, and we also always have Jeeps we're working on in the shop. Again, 252-491-4900. Thank you.